Alright guys, Lone here, back in the video. And today I'm making just a pretty random video. I mean, I don't vlog ever. This is the vlog. This is very random, but let's remember we've all had struggles opening the infamous pickle jar. Okay. Let's be honest, it's not like you haven't had trouble opening these stupid jars. Seriously, every time I try to open it with my bare hands, nah. This one is fresh too, guys. Just so you know, here, one second. I'm gonna do this. You guys see it pretty well, but I'm gonna do this. Yeah, you see right there, right? Film like here, you guys can see it. Alright. So this is fresh, this is new. So I'll show you. Call me big if you want, but we've all had struggles. I'll be right back. Alright, so this technique I kind of discovered on accident. So I'm gonna try it with a spoon and a fork first, and then I'm gonna do my technique that I found out before which is with a knife. Oh, alright, I'm back. So as I was saying, I'll first be trying to do it with a spoon, which I've never done before. Never done this before. But commentary. I'm gonna try it with a spoon first, which I've never done with a spoon or a fork. So I'm gonna try that first, and then I'm gonna go on to the knife. So what I'm talking about here is the jar has a seal, a CO2 seal. So when you pop it open, the CO2 all releases and there's none left, so it's easier to open. But when the tab is pressed down, there's more CO2 pushing it down, more gravity pushing it down, and that causes it to kind of itty bit be harder to open. Probably can't see my face or the jar. Great. Will I have to refilm this video? Probably. Anyways, so first I'm gonna try with the spoon. I'm gonna try with the end, with this end, front end, the blunt end, and then I'm gonna try it with the. I'm not gonna try it with the back end because that will obviously work just as good as a knife. So I'm gonna try with just this. So what you do is you wanna kind of get it up in there, I think, and then just like, oh. That was way easier than the knife. What did I do in my life? If you guys heard that, now you can see. I don't want to drop it, but it just opens. It's amazing. It's better than the freaking knife. I don't know if you'll be able to. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, more. Bye.